Alright guys, so I got my final package from Provident Metal. Okay. I've been waiting for a while for this, but I finally got it. Alright, so I got my silver. Alright, and today we're gonna be doing an unboxing for you guys. But I don't think I'm gonna be buying any more precious metals or silver for the rest of the January. The reason, I'm gonna let you guys know. But guys, thank you so much for watching another video of Urban Lifestyle, where our goal is to help you guys create a better life. And you guys can help out by leaving a subscribe, leaving a comment, leaving a thumbs up. Find me on my social media platform, Urban Lifestyle 1989. And don't forget to hit that notification icon so you guys get future notifications of my future videos. Let's go. Alright guys, so make sure you guys check out ublives.com if you guys want to get awesome t-shirts. And if you want to help support the channel by buying silver, you guys can also do that at ublives.com. Alright, so let's go into it. Let's see what Provident Metal has to offer me today. We all know they have a magnet they like to give. All right, so this is how this one is. I'm gonna just put it all on my refrigerator, you know? Okay, so the reason I'm not gonna be buying as much silver, or I might not be buying silver at all, is because yesterday I went to the gym and it hurts to talk about it. I had $200 on me and I lost it. I don't know what I did with it. Somebody found $200, I guess, and I went back to the gym. I was like, hey, has anybody turned in silver? I mean, not silver. Wow, has anybody turned in $200? It was like, hey, if we find it, we'll call you. But let's be honest, he asked me this question. He was like, if I were to give you, or if you were to find $200, which he's talking about me, if I were to find $200, would I turn it in? And I was like, hey, I could be a millionaire. I can be making $1 million a second. If I find $200, I'm keeping it. You know, and that's how that went. So he pretty much told me, hey, my chances of finding it is like slim, like 0 to 10, you know. So yeah, so I had to make my decisions, and my decision is, all right, I have to make sure I get that money back, because, you know, that money was very important. So, you know, I can't take it out the house money because I need to stay here. You know, I need to stay it out. I need to stay here. I need to pay rent. I can't take it out the light bill because I need the light on, or else, you know, this is how the video is going to look. And we don't want that to happen. Okay, so I decided, hey, I have to rearrange my budget for the month of January 2019, and I decided to probably kick back off on the precious metals just for the rest of this month. But I've purchased so much so far. All right, I believe I still have a box coming for me. All right, but this is what I got from Provident Metals. Nice. You guys see that is these bars right here. Let me move the camera so you guys can see it better. All right, I seen this, and honestly, I don't remember purchasing this, but I guess I did since it's here. Okay, and what I like about it is the way it breaks down in half. It actually breaks down into pieces 1/4 of an ounce. You guys can see that right there. All of them do that, and I might keep these. I was thinking about melting these, but I like these designs on it. I might just keep it. You know, you never know what can happen. All right, but that's pretty much all I got today. You know, besides the magnet and these right here. Here's the magnet and here's the bars. So I got 6 of them all in total. Probably spent, let me see, I don't even know how much I spent. I know it's over 100, or just underneath 100, I think, yeah. But there it goes. Boom. But guys, thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to hit that subscribe, leave a thumbs up, and have a wonderful day.